Hello students, in last lecture we have seen some examples from practice sheet 6.1 of trigonometry chapter. If one trigonometric ratio is given, then we can find other trigonometric ratios by using trigonometric identity and also by using Pythagoras theorem. We have also seen some examples of prove that type. Left hand side is equal to right hand side is to prove there. Some examples up to 8 we have solved in last lecture. Now we will going to see another example of some different type, and then we will solve some examples from practice set 6.1. Eliminate theta from given equations. X is equal to a cot theta minus b cosec theta and y is equal to a cot theta plus b cosec theta. These two are the equations which are linear equations in two variable type. Here cot theta, cosec theta are the variable type and a and b are coefficients, and we have to eliminate theta. In solving linear equations in two variable of such type, we add two equations first and subtract two equations then, and by obtaining new two equations by adding or subtracting we can solve these equations. But here we have to not solve these equations but only to eliminate theta. First we will consider given equations. X is equal to a cot theta minus b cosec theta, equation 1. Y is equal to a cot theta plus b cosec theta, equation number 2. Now first we will add these equations by adding equation 1 and 2. If we write these two equations, one below other, and add them like such. Here addition of left hand side will be x plus y. Addition in right side, a cot theta plus a cot theta will be 2a cot theta, and minus b cosec theta plus b cosec theta will get cancel, means plus 0. Therefore here if we write value of cot theta, then it will be x plus y upon 2a. Let us give 3 number to this equation. Here we got cot theta. Similarly, by subtracting equation 1, equation 2 from equation 1, x is equal to a cot theta minus b cosec theta, y is equal to a cot theta plus b cosec theta. Subtraction will change the signs of all terms of second equation. Therefore subtraction of left hand side is x minus y is equal to a cot theta minus a cot theta will be 0, it will cancel, is equal to minus 2b cosec theta Here the sign is negative in right hand side. To change this sign, we can write here changing signs of all terms, then it will be minus x plus y is equal to 2b cosec theta. Here we have changed the signs of all terms, therefore we can write it as minus x plus y, means y minus x is equal to 2b cosec theta. Therefore cosec theta is equal to y minus x upon 2b. Let us, it is equation number 4. Now we know the relation between cosec square theta and cot square theta. What is relation? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. It is third trigonometric identity. Therefore we can write, if we change the side of cot square theta towards right hand side, then it will be cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We will put the values from equation 3 and 4 in this equation. Therefore cosec square theta, what is the value of cosec square theta? In equation 4 we got cosec theta is equal to y minus x upon 2b. Therefore cosec square theta will be y minus x upon 2b bracket square cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Value of cot square theta from equation 3 is x plus y upon 2a. Therefore its square will be x plus 2y, or we can write y plus x, x plus y or y plus x upon 2a bracket square is equal to 1. See here, value of cosec theta is y minus x upon 2b, value of cot theta is y plus x upon 2a, and there is square of two terms, therefore minus, it is difference between the squares of two terms is equal to 1 is given. Therefore it will be, now if we square separately numerator and denominators, then it will be y minus x bracket square upon 4b square minus y plus x bracket square upon 4a square is equal to 1. Here in this step there is no theta. In our trigonometric identity there was cosec square theta minus cos square theta. Here there was theta, but in next two steps if we put the values of cot theta and cosec theta, then there is no theta, means there is elimination of theta. Therefore it is answer. Or if we change the side of 4 or divide, multiply each term of this equation by 4, then we will got y minus x bracket square upon b square. Here if we multiply by 4, then 4 get cancel. Here also y plus x bracket square upon a square is equal to 1 into 4, it will be 4. Therefore it is elimination of theta. If there is any example of such type, eliminate theta, then we have to find the value of that ratios. Here we find the value of cot theta first, then cosec theta, and put them into trigonometric identity. It is elimination of theta. Next is example 9 from practice set 6.9. If tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2, then show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to also 2. It is interesting relation that sum of tan theta and 1 plus tan theta is equal to 2. Then sum of their squares means tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta is also equal to 2. Now first we have given that tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2 is given here. Now squaring both sides, if we square both sides, then it will be tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta bracket square is equal to 2 square. Now it will be tan square theta plus 2 into tan theta into 1 upon tan theta. It is a plus b bracket square, a square plus 2ab means 2 into first term into second term plus 1 upon tan square theta. There is no need of bracket, only 1 upon square of 1 1 and square of tan theta tan square theta is equal to 4. Now here tan theta and tan theta from numerator and denominator get cancelled. Therefore tan square theta plus 2 plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4. If we change the side of this 2, then we will get tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4 minus 2. Therefore tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. It is to prove here tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. The given term was tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 2, and we prove tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 2. For that we square both sides, and by simplification we got this relation. Now 10th example, we have to prove tan a upon 1 plus tan square a bracket square plus cot a upon 1 plus cot square a bracket square is equal to sin a into cos a. First we will consider left hand side. It is tan a upon 1 plus tan square a bracket square plus cot a upon 1 plus cot square a bracket square. Now we know that 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, means we can write tan a here, tan a upon sec square a bracket square plus cot a upon 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Therefore we can write cosec square a bracket square. It is left hand side. We can write the reason that 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. is equal to again tan A. We can write this as tan A into 1 upon sec raised to 4a. Sec square a means sec square a into sec square a, that is sec raised to 4a, and we write in it in this way: 1 upon sec raised to 4a multiply plus cot a upon cosec raised to 4a. We can write it as into 1 upon cosec raised to 4a. We split numerator and denominator as here. Therefore, we know that tan A is sin A upon cos A into 1 upon sec square A. 1 upon sec A is reciprocal of cos A, and 1 upon sec raised to 4a will be reciprocal of cos raised to 4a. Therefore, we can write it as cos raised to 4a plus cot A into 1 upon cosec square A. 1 upon cosec A is sin A. Therefore, 1 upon cosec raised to 4a is sin raised to 4a. Here also we can write cot A as cos A upon sin A. We will write as cos A upon sin A. Here it is numerator denominator sign, cos A upon sin A. Here cos A, cos raised to 4a, 1 cos A will get cancelled. Therefore, it is sin A into cos cube A plus here sin A and sin raised to 4a means 1 sin A will get cancelled, and here will sin cube A. Therefore, it is cos A into sin cube A. Now, here sin A and sin cube A, therefore sin A is common in two terms. Cos cube A and cos A is here, therefore cos A is also common. Into bracket, by taking sin A common and cos A common, here only it will be cos square A remain in the bracket. Now cos A common and sin A common, therefore second term will be sin square A, means it is sin square A into cos square A is equal to 1. 1 into sin A into cos A, that is sin A into cos A, and it is right hand side. We have to prove. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side, means therefore left hand side was, see here, tan A upon 1 plus tan square A bracket square plus cot A upon 1 plus cot square A bracket square is equal to sin A cos A is proved here. See how we prove it. First we put the value of 1 plus tan square A as sec square A. Sec square A चा square sec raised to 4a. Then 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. And by simplifying the given steps, we got left hand side is equal to right hand side. First, now example number 11, sec raised to 4a minus into 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square A is equal to 1. Now again we will consider left hand side sec raised to 4a into 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square A. is equal to here sec raised to 4a 1 minus sin raised to 4a, it is 1 square minus sin square square. Therefore expansion will be 1 minus sin square a into 1 plus sin square a. It is a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. 1 minus sin square a into 1 plus sin square a minus 2 tan square a. Here 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. We know sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Therefore cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a into 1 plus sin square a minus 2 tan a. Here sec square a, we can write sec raised to 4a is reciprocal of cos raised to 4a. Therefore we can write sec raised to 4a is equal to 1 upon cos raised to 4a into cos square a into 1 plus sin square a minus 2 tan a. Here cos square a and this 4 will be cancelled. Therefore it will be 1 upon cos square a, 1 upon cos square a, 4 2 cos raised to 4a means cos square a into cos square a. 1 cos square a will be divided by this cos square a and then remain 1 upon cos square a. 1 upon cos square a into 1 plus sin square a minus 2 tan a. Therefore it will be 1 plus sin square a upon cos square a minus 2 into tan a is sin a upon cos. It is square, tan square a, sorry, tan square a 2 sin square a upon cos square a. Now here the denominator of both terms is same. Therefore it will be 1 plus sin square a minus 2 sin square a upon cos square a. Denominator is same. Therefore subtraction will be subtraction of denominator numerator at numerator place, and denominator is same. Therefore we put it as same, cos square a is equal to here 1 minus sin square a, 1 plus sin square a minus 2 sin square a. Sin square a minus 2 sin square a will be minus sin square a upon cos square a. Here 1 minus sin square a is cos square a upon cos square a, and cos square a upon cos square a is equal to 1. Our right hand side is also 1. Therefore is equal to right hand side. Means we have proved left hand side is equal to right hand side. Again see, left hand side was sec raised to 4a, means therefore sec raised to 4a into 1 minus sin raised to 4a minus 2 tan square a is equal to 1 is proved here. Here our practice set 6.1 is end now. We have solved near about all examples. Only example number 12 is remain. Solve it in homework and also solve all these examples again to practice. Then in next lesson, in next lecture, we will start the application of trigonometry. Till then, thank you.